I just started a brand new mahi, which is in the attendance service, the local attendance service. Never felt so welcome, or never felt like I am that thing. You know, when you know it, you know it. I joined a really interesting group of people, and I've been able to express myself in this environment really easily, and connecting for the first real time with Te Ao Māori and my whakapapa, and I guess that's kind of the education industry at the moment. Hasn't always been that way, but I was really surprised how in everyday language, you know, te reo was used. It's changed massively. I guess with that kind of safety, there's your sense of being, your sense of who you are. I'm in the later shades of the 40s now, and to have that kind of only come up in this kind of time in my life is interesting as well. But both hands on right now. My father and my brother, we even have a little te reo kind of evening on Mondays. We're just connecting over like WhatsApp, just video calls, and now there's a time for that to grow. Like we're just promoting it, we're doing it, and yeah, there's a whānau hui coming up at the end of the year in Whakatū, so we're all looking forward to that. And I guess there's like a spark. You know, something kind of happens in your life, and all of a sudden a doorway opens, and then the next thing kind of, and then all of a sudden there's many doorways open, and that's kind of where I am, and probably my brother and my father as well. Yeah.